Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Mars Xray. NASA's Mars Performance rover Sol 1741. NASA's rover cameras capture something moving across the Martian surface. It was not wind or a dust surreal. This object rolled with purpose. Zoom in and you will see its shiny edges and spinning motion. Could it be debris, technology, or even a small rover malfunctioned? Slow down the footage and analyze every moment. This could be most confusing Mars cliff you have ever seen. Dear friends, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.